field.
Hey, we talk about getting in the wing. Rest your right elbow on your right knee.
Breathe that team. Breathe that team. Say hit.
Your hand went out, but you stayed low. You stepped right. We get tired. We get sloppy. Boom. There's good feet right there. I like that. Good, good.
Get back in your lane, twos. Ball. On one. Blue 81. Blue 81. Sit. I would drive. Get it down. Hop back. Good. Never let the ball get behind your eyes. Never let the ball get behind your eyes. Oh, nose over my toes. Nose over my toes. Drive.
Show me do it, twins.
Get here.
Take the ground, twins.
Plant drive. Plant drive. Blue 18. Blue 18. Hit. Nice. Stick drive. Stick drive. Come on. That's better, Carlos. Stick drive, 20.
Practice the way you want to play.
Eyes up. Go. Blue 16. Blue 16. Hit. Good. Shoulders quick. Give me 2 more in here. Let's go. Boom. That's all it is. That's all it is. Hey, Nick, same thing for you with him. Go. Good job. I think I counted up. I think he completed like 34%. Come on, right now. Too wide. You're going to be inside of time. You got to get